I think my favorite part of science fiction and film was, well, aside from the fact that we got to see an awesome movie every week, was the fact that a lot of the movies we watched were extremely topical in ways that you wouldn't really initially give them credit for.
One of the best parts of the course for me was being able to sort of take out these like social themes out of these movies and relate them to issues that like we're experiencing now, like classism and ableism. This was actually the course that brought me to History of Science and Technology, like the whole program, and now I'm minoring in it. This was the first course that I took in host, and I was just so excited to be able to watch science fiction films, which is something that I love to do anyway, for credit. I thought that was amazing, and I ended up investigating the program and finding that there was so many other courses that I could take that catered to my interests and were able to look at some of the same problems that biology does, but in a completely different way. So a lot of the theory that I had sort of always taken for granted, the scientific method and a whole bunch of biology-specific issues can really be flipped over when you look at contemporary studies and the history of science and technology, the philosophy of science. So taking this course really introduced me to a lot of that, and I think that it's going to make me a better scientist.
Before I went into the course, I was very much just a pure contemporary studies and classics person. That's all I was really interested in, just the hard theory. But then the more I learned about these science fiction films and the theories behind them, it broadened my interests and shifted them more to questions like biopolitics and bioethics and the ontology of computer science.
It is like a history of science and technology course, so the films are sort of used as a vehicle to talk about all of the issues related to science and technology that they bring up in their plots and in their inciting incidents and stuff like that. Ethical problems, the sort of issues that we can see the beginnings of now, but that as technology advances, we're going to see more of. Like, it's going to become more prevalent in the public eye.
I mean, I think there is like kind of a checklist where if you satisfy these checks, you should probably take the course. Do you like great movies? Do you like getting credits for watching great movies? Are you invested in the future? If you fit any of those, if you ticked off any of those points, you should probably take this course.